So today I'm going to talk about compound interest. Compound interest is the interest earned not only on the principal but also on the amount of interest earned by the principal originally. So in simple words, compound interest means earning interest by both your principal and the amount of interest accumulated over time. So the major formula of compound interest is this, where A is the final amount and P is the principal you are willing to invest, and R is the rate of interest, and N is the number of time the interest is compounded. It can be annually, semi-annually, or quarterly basis. So here the given amount, that is principal, is $1,500. Rate of interest R, that is 9%, and the time you will invest it is 5 years. But the question has said compounded semi-annually, so here we take N equals to 2. Now, using before's formula, A equals to P bracket 1 plus R by N to the times to the power N into T, or A equals to P, here it is 1500, 1 plus R is given as 9%, so we will give 9% by N is 2. So here N is 2 into 5. 5 is the year we have invested the amount, or A equals to 1500 by 1 plus 9 by 100 to the power 2. 2 into 5 is 10. We can write 10 over here. Or A equals to 1500. So as we know, the laws of indices, H2 will go up, so it will be 1 plus 9 by 200 to the power 10 equals to 1500. So using LCM here, it will be 200 by 200 plus 9 to the power 10 equals to 1500 by 200, 209 by 200 to the power 10. So here I need to use calculator. So 209 divided by 200 is 1.045 to the power 10 multiplied by 1500 equals to 1500 into this 1.552 equals to, so the final sum of our calculation is 2329.45. So this will be our final amount after 5 years compounded semi-annually. So doubling money means making your money twice its original value due to interest or gains. It means your $1,000 invested becomes $2,000. For this I have taken a question to solve. Here the question has said, at what nominal rate will the principal amount double after 8 years? So the question has not given us any principal, so we let the principal P. It has given time is 8 years. Final amount will be 2P since we have to double the principal amount, and rate of interest is what we have to find. So now we use the similar concept as compound interest. First we use the formula. So formula of compound interest is A equals to P bracket 1 plus R by N into N to the power T. So here A equals to A is 2P, is double the amount of principal. So we write 2P, P is given as P, so 1 plus N by R is not given, so we can write R as whole by N to the power T, that is given 8 years. So we are going to divide both sides by P, that is P, 2P by P equals to P bracket 1 plus R to the power 8 by P. So the P cancel out, P cancel out, or the remainder is 2 equals to 1 plus R to the power 8. So to cancel out this A, we need to 8 root both sides. That means we get under root 8 to the power 2 equals to 1 plus R to the whole power 8 under root 8 power. So this root cancel out power to the 8, or we get 1 plus R equals to 8 root 2, which means we can subtract 1 on both sides. So we get R equals to 8 root 2 minus 1. So this is our answer. So the value of it is 0.09050. So R is this. So to get it in percentage, we will be multiplying it by 100%. Due to this, the effective rate, it will be 9.050%. So this is the rate at which the money will double itself after 8 years. Hope you learned something by my video. Thank you.